Now to a change that will affect nearly 30 million Americans. Federal student loan payments are set to resume today after being put on hold for 3 years due to the pandemic. ABC's Elizabeth Schultz has the details.
This morning, the bills are due for millions of Americans with federal student loan debt. Borrowers like 33-year-old social worker Michael Lopez in Anaheim, California, are now bracing to make payments on their loans for the first time in more than 3 years.
I really want stability for us.
Lopez, a first-generation college graduate, owes more than $800 per month on his student loans. And like many borrowers, he says the restart of payments will force him to tighten his budget.
We're really going to have to change a lot of our spending habits. And that's to make sure we can continue to just provide our basic needs comfortably. We won't be able to save the way we have been able to.
The government's unprecedented payment freeze was put in place as a financial cushion during the pandemic and was extended 8 times before ending today. 28 million borrowers will now have to start paying off their student debt this month. The average payment totaling between $200 and $300.
I think for most student loan borrowers, what it means is that they got to make some hard choices.
Retailers like Target and Best Buy warn the resumption of payments could hit their sales as consumers pull back on spending to pay off their debt.
It is a headwind to spending, and we need consumers to stay in the game. That's the reason why the economy's been able to avoid recession.
President Biden's plan to cancel up to $20,000 in student debt for many borrowers was struck down by the Supreme Court in June. The Education Department now says it is exploring other avenues for broad debt cancellation, but it will likely be months before any of those options are available.